I'm Matt Machado. I'm a studio art and earth and environmental science major. And the course that I did this project through was EES, Earth and Environmental Science independent study with my research advisor, Dr. Neil Kelley. So yeah, kind of just an independent project that I decided to tack on to my course load just to get a little bit of research experience. The gist of the project is using CT scanners to study fossils. So it's a way to study them without kind of cutting them open like they used to do or sectioning them down. I approached my research advisor, and I knew he worked with ichthyosaurs, which are these massive extinct group of marine reptiles that grew up to like 50 or 60 feet. And then we got to talking, and he found out I was a studio art major, and he had this kind of more visually focused research project in the works, so he asked if I wanted to do that. I learned a whole new software for this project. It's called Dragonfly. It's this 3D visualization software. So there was that kind of technical skill that I picked up. But more broadly, I got like research experience, which is pretty big in like the geoscience field. I had never done anything like that, so it was pretty cool to work with expensive equipment like CT scanners and this cool software on this research project that could, potentially end up published or something. I got to do a couple poster presentations and develop some images that I think my research advisor Neil might include in some papers. But I wanted to kind of capitalize on my time here before I leave and don't have access to research equipment or cool faculty members if I don't choose to go to grad school. So I wanted to kind of dip my toes in that water.